Hello mga kagarot! Good morning! I wake up late and guess what? I just remember the ketchup when they're after they're almost done eating. Look at their plate. They're almost done eating and I give them the ketchup. Good morning, Philippines. I want to show you guys what I do and I love it very much. I want to show you. I really cook that eggs there and the ham. And let's go over here. Look, this is what I'm using. This is for the pizza. That's for the pizza. It's over there. We got 3. And I use 1 for cooking. I'm trying because this one here, I like it but I don't like it. So I use this one and then now I'm cooking my noodles. See, I can't believe it. I can use that. What I'm doing, this is a ham, tomato, green pepper and red pepper, only a little bit because that's all I have, and this kind of noodles. This is a spaghetti, supposed to be, and I use it I use it like ordinary, like pancit in the Philippines, the yellow Mickey. That's what I'm doing. I really love Mickey. No wondering why we got too many. Put it down, push it down, push it down. There, and we're gonna put a little. I put a little bit, of water, and now I'm gonna put a little bit of soy sauce. That's a little bit. Okay. I already put magic syrup on it. From now on, I'm gonna use these pots for cooking. What I like it, guys, is because it's not sticking. That's why I like it, hon.